Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the beneficent and merciful. Welcome to Beria College PNT. My name is Sir Haris Khan, subject Mathematics, Karachi Matric Federal Board, Chapter 2, Theory of the Quadratic Equation, Exercise 2.8, Word Problem, V16, Lecture Number. Objective. This unit, student will be able to solve real life problem with the quadratic equation 2.7. Solving real life problem with a quadratic equation. There are many problems which lead quadratic equation to form an equation. We use symbols from unknown quantities in the problem, then roots of the equation may provide the answer to problem. The real life problem. 3 less than the certain number multiply the 9 less than twice the number is 104. Find the number. 3 less than the certain number x is a let the x is a number. First condition, less than the certain number 3 is a less than x minus 3 is a less than. Then multiply the twice a number less than minus 9. 2x minus 9 is a number. They are both number are multiply each other, then get the value is a 104. Solve the condition according to question and multiply the each other and then get the value 2x square minus 15x plus 27 is equal to 104 as a procedure. 2x square minus 15x minus 77 is equal to 0 after simplification. By the factorization middle term method, they get the quadratic equation 2x plus 7 and x minus 11 is equal to 0. Both are multiply each other and give the product is 0. They are separately equal to the 0. X is equal to minus 7 by 2 and x is equal to 11 after simplification. X is equal to minus 7 by 2 and 11 are the required numbers. They get the value is 104 when put the equation. Second example, the length of the rectangle is 4 cm more than the breadth. If the area of the rectangle is 45 cm square, find its side. Rectangle length into breadth equal to the area of a rectangle. Let the breadth in centimeter be x. We let the breadth is x and length is more than the breadth 4, x plus 4. By the given condition, rectangle area is a 45 cm square. That is, the area is the length into breadth equal to the 45 cm square. X multiply x is a breadth and x plus 4 is the length. They are multiply of each other and after simplification, give the quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 45 is equal to 0. Then get the value x plus 9 and x minus 5 after the factorization middle term method use equal to 0. X plus 9 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. X equal to minus 9. Negative values are neglected because the length is not a negative. X is equal to the 5. X is equal to the 5 and x plus 5 9. 9 5 is 45. If we use value minus 9, x value is a minus 9 and get the value minus 5 and minus 45 area. This is a neglected negative value. That's why this is a breadth is a 5 cm and length is 9 cm. Example number 3. The sum of the coordinates of the point 6 and the sum of their square is 20. Find the coordinate of the point. Let x, y be the coordinates of the point. Then by the given condition we have x plus y equal to the 6. They give the first condition the sum of the coordinate equal to the 6. And these squares are equal to the 20. First is a linear equation and second is a quadratic equation. We solve these equations, this type of equation into 2.7. Find from equation 1, solve the linear equation, then get the value y is equal to 6 minus x. Putting value y is equal to minus 6 minus x in equation 2, we get the value and solves after the simplification 2x square minus 12x plus 16. 2 is common by this equation and get the value x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. After the factorization middle term method, then get the value x minus 4 and x minus 2. X is equal to the 4 and x is equal to 2 using equation 3. Y is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. There are two pairs. The coordinate of the pair are 4, 2 and 2, 4. 4 and 2 are 6. 4 square is 8, 4 4 is 16 and 2 square is equal to 4. 16 and 4 equal to 20. It is satisfied the equation. This is a whole exercise of a 2.8 and 10 questions are present in the 2.8. We solve some question number 1. The product of two positive consecutive numbers is 182. Find the numbers. Consecutive 2 or 4 numbers. 1 and 2 are consecutive numbers. 2 and 3 are a consecutive number. That is the condition solution. Let the number be x and x plus 1. 1 and 2. 1 is x and 2 is x plus 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. It is a consecutive number. Let condition is x and x plus 1. Product of the two positive consecutive number is 182. X multiply the x square and x1. And after the simplification, apply the factorization method, then get the value x minus 13 and x plus 14 is equal to 0. X minus 13 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 13 and x plus 1 is equal to 13 plus 1 14. X is equal to minus 14 is a wrong value. Ignore this value because the negative is the positive numbers give the consecutive numbers. X is a not negative number. That is ignored. Question number 5. The difference of the number and reciprocal is 15 by 4. Find the number. Solution. Let the number be x and its reciprocal 1 by x, x minus 1 by x, the difference equal to 15 by 4. After simplification, 14x square minus 4 is 15x. The simplification multiplying by 4. And then get the after LCM, give the 15x cross multiplication and get the standard quadratic equation and give the values of middle term break method, then get the value x minus 4 and 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 1 by 4. 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then get the number 4 and minus 1 by 4. Find the dimension of the rectangle whose perimeter is 80 centimeter and its area is 375 centimeter. All sides sum is called the perimeter. X plus x, y plus y, x plus x, 2x, y plus y, 2x plus 2y is equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. Solution. Let x, y be the length and y be the width of the respectively rectangle according to given condition. Then this is the parameter 2x plus 2y is equal to 0, 80. Then 2 is common, then 80 is divided by 40, x plus y is equal to 40 and product of the length into breadth, the area of the rectangle 375. X is equal to 4. Solve the equation number A. X 40 minus y from this equation. X is equal to 40 minus y in B. Put in the equation number B. Then get the value after simplification. Get the value y square minus 40y plus 375 is equal to 0. And solve by factorization method, middle term method, and then get the value y square minus 25y minus 15y, 375 is equal to 0. Two pairs are common from each other. Y square minus 25y is a common and minus 15y plus 375 is a common pair, second pair. Y is a common by this y minus 25 and 15 is common by this y minus 25. Again taking common y minus 25 and then get the value y minus 15. Y minus 15 is equal to 0, give y is equal to 15 and x plus 15 is equal to 40 and x is equal to the 25. Length is a 25 and breadth is a 15 centimeter. Metric class metric for homework chapter number 2 2.8 to complete remaining parts of exercise number 2.8, then get the values.